Another thing Cuthbert said to me years ago, to any writer, he says, there's no such thing as bad writing. It is a case of know your market. Somebody did give me a review once for Aberdeen University, a woman, and she said I was like a haggis pizza. I couldn't quite decide what I was, if I was for the plebs and the sort of ordinary people, or if I was rarefied. And two of the poets came up to me and said, we've just been discussing you, and I said, oh, aye. And they said, we're wondering if you fall into the macker or versifier. Now they used versifier in a derogatory way, macker was the real McCoy, the poet. Another one said, and do you find poetry in hairy tatties? And I thought, well, Robert Burns found poetry in haggis. So if a Peterhead man chooses to write about hairy tatties, who are I to decry? His poetry is as good as everybody else's. It's ode to, it was a Celtic curse, ode to an unkind reviewer. It was quite a long ode, and described it was a curse, that would fall upon them if they ever chose to decry another fellow poet. But otherwise I just ignore him.